Hello, my name is Matthew Coltman, and today we're going to be checking out the snake game that I made for the final project. And so when we first load in, we're going to be greeted with a prompt for our name. It's going to be helpful for when we use the high score function and when we display the name with the score while we're playing. So we're just going to give that, Matt. And so once we give him the name, we have choices to either press space to play original snake, press I to play hard mode, press escape to see the tutorial, or press enter for the high scores. So I think first up we're going to be playing the hard mode, so we're going to press I. Oh no, we're going to press I. Alright, and so when we first load in, the snake isn't going to move until the user tells it to with either W, A, S, or D. So we're just going to press W to get it started. And so when we eat the food in hard mode, the catch is that another wall appears somewhere around the map, and that's random each time. So we eat another food, another wall appears, and so as you can see, like this definitely gets pretty hard as the game continues. You get longer, and there's more and more obstacles in the way. And then when we run into the wall like this, the game is over. We're back to the intro screen, and it's displaying our previous score. So right now we can check out the high score screen, so we're going to be pressing enter. And so here we have the leaderboard. This only is the top 5 players. So I'm number 1 from a previous run, my brother's number 2, and then this 26 is from my run on the impossible mode. Now we're going to be checking out the tutorial screen. We're pressing escape. And so here, we just get to see some helpful tips and tricks. You know, if you've never played the game, what the objective is, what the obstacles are, and some tips and tricks. And then last but not least, we're going to be playing original Snake by pressing space, as prompted here. And once again, the snake isn't moving until I tell it to. And then we're playing Snake. And so each time we eat an apple, our snake is going to grow. And this is going to go on and on until we either hit ourselves or we hit the wall.